Hey everyone, Dave R here from Coder. This video kicks off a short series on what Coder is and how we provide secure development workspaces for both developers and AI agents. Today we'll discover the basics and wrap up with a quick demo. So let's get started. Traditionally, software development starts either on a local laptop or in a virtual desktop environment, and both come with real challenges. Laptops are expensive, inconsistent to set up, and introduce security risks, whereas VDIs improve security, but they're often slow, costly to operate, and difficult to maintain. In both cases, teams end up dealing with compliance headaches, high costs, and limited control, and this has been the industry norm for decades until now. Coder gives you secure, self-hosted development environments without sacrificing developer experience. You don't have to choose between security, control, and usability. Coder gives you all three. So how does this actually work? Well, the Coder control plane is deployed on your infrastructure, whether that's public cloud or on-prem, and integrates with the identity provider and observability tools you already use. Developers log in and select from a list of templates curated for their role. Each template defines where the workspace runs and what tooling gets installed. And these definitions are wrapped in Terraform and used to provision the workspace. Because workspaces are defined as code, they're fully reproducible. Development teams can rebuild, reset, or update environments without manual setup or drift, while platform teams can maintain centralized control and standardization. Now, once a developer creates a workspace, it's up and running in seconds with all the tools they need to start coding immediately. Workspaces can also connect to shared services like source control, secrets managers, and CI/CD pipelines, and they can even be deployed on GPU-backed infrastructure for AI workloads. Developers connect using the IDE they already prefer, could be VS Code, JetBrains, Cursor, Windsurf, Kiro, or any IDE that supports remote development. And connections are secure and low latent, so the experience still feels local. Now that you have a high-level view of Coder, let's jump into the demo. Once Coder is deployed on your infrastructure, developers simply navigate to the login URL and authenticate using the configured identity provider. In this demo environment, we've enabled both GitHub and Okta authentication. After logging in, developers are taken to their dashboard where they can view any workspaces they currently have deployed. Workspaces are the core functionality of Coder. They provide secure remote development environments for both developers and AI agents. Workspaces are created using templates, which enable true self-service provisioning. When a developer needs a new workspace, they choose from a curated set of templates tailored to their role. After selecting a template, they have the option to provide additional parameters such as external authentication, required tooling, or even customized compute, storage, and memory resources for their workspace. Once the available options are set, the developer clicks on Create Workspace, and within seconds the environment is provisioned. In this demo, the selected template deploys a developer workspace on a Kubernetes pod. After provisioning, the workspace can be accessed through an approved desktop IDE or web IDE. This template also enables terminal access and a built-in file browser. And as you can see, I have full access to my workspace directly from my local VS Code desktop environment. Each template can include documentation and allows administrators to view and change the Terraform source code. And all templates are fully versioned. When a template is updated, new versions can be rolled out to both new and existing workspaces. Templates themselves can be created, stored, and maintained in a source code repository following standard software development workflows. For administrators, Coder provides comprehensive auditing and observability. Workspaces can also be configured to stop and start based on policy, helping teams conserve infrastructure resources when environments aren't in use. So this concludes our demonstration of core Coder functionality. Be sure to check back for more explainer videos on how Coder enables AI-centric development using these workspaces. Thank you for watching.